Are we talking about emerging technology in the textile industry? Like we all or might be aware, textile industry started far earlier in time, and it had to do with clothing production, design, distribution. And these clothes are actually taken from the fabric farms, like we learned in Industry 1.0, where um, manufacturing establishments came up. Before that time, people were hunting, they had cotton farms, they had slaves working on them, and they were picking and doing most of these things manually. But this advanced the time of machinery. Sometime in Industry 2.0, there was the steam engine, factories came up and they started producing clothes with machines, sewing machines were introduced, cutting and weaving machines started producing clothes that were made into dresses, shirts, t-shirts, trousers, and even they advanced by making some of these fabrics into bags and shoes. The traditional methods of production, right from time, textile production was the preparation of the cotton, the spindle machines that were like wood, and then the weaving. They did a lot of weaving and knitting with hand. Everything was manually done. But right now, with the introduction of technology, textile has advanced. Textile production has really advanced in the sense that there is precision, the materials, the quantity, the thickness of the fabric, and everything is measured adequately. 3D technology has been introduced to help aid printing and has made customizing garments very easy. Recycling has cut down drastically. The textile industry used to be one of the major pollution industries that create pollution, but with AI, that has been managed, and people's health and waste is being reduced. So it's a safe environment, it's a smarter way, it's an efficient way to design fabric, and the precision and accuracy is incredible. The impact of technology on the textile industry today is, especially with the use of AI, is that the weaving process has been computerized, the materials are woven properly, the dye process, the quantity of dye and ink that's supposed to be mixed for a particular texture or color is gotten perfectly. This all can be assessed on the system before it's put into use. So there's no waste of ink and all that. In terms of printing process, same, there's less mistakes, there's less spillage, there's less damage to the fabric. The fabric production is now cost effective, and that's profitability. In terms of wastage and recycling, good recycling, most of the materials are being used for other things. Fabric offcuts and all that are used for stocking of pillows and toys. And then in terms of high productivity and profitability, obviously all around win-win for the introduction of AI. So in conclusion, we've been able to achieve improved efficiency, enhance the quality of our fabrics and textiles. We've saved time. What the hand will do, or the sewing machines manually will sew. If you're sewing 10 t-shirts, with the introduction of industrial machines and AI, they are sewing hundreds of millions of t-shirts within seconds. So this is one of the advantages. And then improve safety, less accidents, areas where there's so much danger in terms of production, like ironing, straightening out the fabrics, they are being handled by machine and robots. So that has saved accidents and reduced, improved the quality of life. At the end of the day, it's all about profitability, and AI definitely in the textile industry is a win-win for all of us.